All right, so this is a trade I had. I don't think any of you guys care about it because the last few videos I made on it, no one's watched them. But you know what? For shits and giggles, I'm gonna make the video because maybe some of you guys do care, and I care about this because I have money in it, right? So I have money in it at 7:30, at 3:30. I don't know if it got hit. I think it went down to 3:32. We're currently sitting at 3:44, making lower lows, lower highs. But that's because you have a big move all the way to $740. So that's the last local low right there, basically. I have a limit order for 11, I believe, at 3:30. If it dips below that, I will buy more. But, look at this. Hold on. 15-minute chart is showing bullish signs, and anything smaller than the 15-minute chart is saying the same thing. That's not the only reason I want to get into this at 3:30. That's a local low. I expect off of a local low or a new lower low, you're going to get some sort of rally, at least to 350, and maybe that's where I would take profits if it looked like a weak rally. RSI on the 15-minute chart is about to turn bullish, so if it goes up from here and I missed out by $3, that's unfortunate, but that's where my limit order is at 3:30. Yeah, so that's where my limit order is. Our size at 40 on the 15-minute, 1 hour is about to reverse up to. But I just don't know where you're going to go, right? So the next target to the upside is, well, you have resistance at 350, but above that, you have a fib up here to 382 at 382. That's okay. So, and then, yeah, so those are the next two targets to the upside. And then, of course, $400 is definitely some resistance. But that is the next two targets. And I don't know. Do you get above 350 or not? My guess is you probably really don't. Yes, we'll see what happens. You could. I guess that was the last local high was at 377 on the 1 hour chart. And that was a very quick, short rally. But 377 was the last local high. So if you're going to put it in a higher, a lower high, 350 could be it. Or maybe you go to 360 and call it good. I just don't even see us going to 377. But if I were to get in here at 330 and ride it to 350, and I had 11 of them, that's still a few $100. It's not that much. It's $220. That's not horrible. But that's kind of what I was targeting. But yeah, so that'd be a pretty quick trade. I don't think it'd take long for us to go, if we did go to 330 to go to 350. That'd probably be a few hour trade. So with that being said, it's kind of what's on the table. If you don't even get to 350 before retracement down, that's extremely bearish. But I think short term, at least 350 is on the table. If you break that, you're going to look for the local high up here at 377, and then right above that, you have the fib level at 381. So I would just call it 380 is the next target to the upside if you break this resistance at 350. So with that being said, that's all I got. I do like this coin long term. It's a super small market cap, and it's about $30 million now. So it's an excellent buy, and it could literally 10x very quickly. So that's all I got. If you guys enjoyed this update, I appreciate a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.